Travis, we got a leak here.
Not yet. Wait for
Now
it.
she's leaking. Nice slow leak. Yeah. So see here, when we get a slug that comes down,
Yeah.
it's going to fill up with bubbles.
Bang. Okay, that's really important.
Yeah,
right.
right. That is a small leak. Pinhole.
Yeah. But we're looking at, you know, we got the bubble train coming down here, and when it comes out the other side, it just breaks that up. There's a good one.
And so now we got a small leak in this drop, and what we can see as we get a slug of sap comes down, can you follow me? It's going to pick up all these little bubbles in it.
Go real slow. Real slow.
I got to go as fast as the sap. Okay, that makes sense. And then we do it again.
Yeah, do it one more time and I'm not going to move.
Okay, so here's a slug of sap, and then that slug of sap ends up with all those little bubbles. So you can tell this is leaking. Some things you can do, like we already talked about before, you can get some sap in here, and then you can see how much quicker this bubble's moving than the last one we saw. And actually, if we get enough sap in here, which I probably don't have enough sap, we could can we fill it up? Nah, it's pushing out too hard.
Good to go.
And if you make a big leak, well, the first thing it does is you feel the
You can feel it. Yeah.
hear the vacuum and feel the vacuum. All that sap's pulling vacuum, but as soon as I let that vacuum off, that sap is flying down the line into the tank right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
the line below this is just absolutely empty.
yeah, it's going to be empty soon. Yeah. Now it will pick back up once I lose the vacuum.
Sure.
The sap that's coming down. Of course, the sap actually ran back uphill when I killed the vacuum.
Right.
So we got to get the sap flow flowing back downhill again.
Right. Right. There.
You filming?
Yeah.
So now we got a big leak in the line. Or, as my high school helpers do on tapping day, they forget to put a tap in the tree.
That happens.
And you got a big leak. And you can see we're getting a tremendous amount more air in there. Yeah.
Put your finger over it and we'll see the change.
Yeah, we're not far enough up the hill to get a good suction, unfortunately.
You can still see it.
Yeah.
Well, you can't see much of a difference. There's not much difference there.